Why are there not more people talking about the easiest ways to get rich in 2024? Let's change that today. First up, personal finance. Budgeting and saving aren't just for the boring folks. Think of them as the foundation of your financial empire. Apps like Mint or YNAB can help you track every cent. Next to technology, you don't need to be a coding genius to profit here. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera let you teach or learn new skills. Got a knack for design? Sell your creations on Etsy or Fiverr. On to health and fitness. This industry is booming. Start a fitness blog, become a personal trainer, or launch a YouTube channel with workout videos. Consistency is key. Beauty is another goldmine. From skincare routines to makeup tutorials, there's a huge audience out there. Share your tips on Instagram or TikTok and collaborate with brands to earn even more. Finally, online business. E-commerce is king. Whether it's dropshipping or selling handmade goods, platforms like Shopify and Amazon make it easy. Build your brand, engage with customers, and watch your profits soar. 2024 is your year to shine. Mix these tips with hard work and a sprinkle of creativity, and you're on your way to financial success. Let's make it happen. #GetRich, #2024 goals, #entrepreneur life.